Welcome. If you love using stickers on Telegram and want a quick way to access your favorites, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the updated steps to add any sticker to your favorites set on Telegram, making your chats more fun and expressive. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, head into any chat. This can be a conversation with a friend, a group, or even a saved messages chat. Once you're in the chat, look for the emoji icon near your message input bar. Tap on it to open the sticker and emoji panel. Now, scroll through your available stickers. Take your time and find the sticker you want to add to your favorites. Maybe it's one you use all the time, or perhaps it's a new one you just discovered. Once you've found the sticker, here's the key step. Tap and hold on the sticker. After a moment, a menu will appear with several options. From the menu, simply tap on Add to Favorites. That's it. The sticker is now saved in your favorites set. You can repeat this process for as many stickers as you like, building a personalized collection that's always just a tap away. To access your favorites later, just open the sticker panel in any chat and look for the Favorites section. It's usually marked with a star icon. All your saved stickers will be there, ready to use whenever you want. Adding stickers to favorites is a great way to keep your most used and most loved stickers close at hand, so you can express yourself even faster in your Telegram conversations. Try it out and enjoy a more personalized chatting experience. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more Telegram tips and tricks to make the most out of your messaging. Have fun chatting.